to create a YouTube playlist. Did you know that creating a YouTube playlist can make your videos get more views and keep people watching longer? So today, I'm going to show you 2 ways on how to create a YouTube playlist step by step in a few seconds. Even if you're a beginner, this tutorial is very simple. So without wasting much time, let's get into it. Let's go. So open your YouTube app in your mobile phone. Then tap on your image below. What you are seeing here is my YouTube page. If you take a look here, you'll see that there's no playlist because I've not created one. So you're going to look for any video. Click on the 3 dots beside it. In this menu, look down. Click on Save to Playlist. Click on the plus sign below. These 2 things that looks like playlist, they are not. I'm just creating my playlist for the first time. So to create a new playlist, click on the plus sign. And a square box is going to pop up. Click on the title. Type in your video playlist name. So let me type CapCut Edit Tips. That is the name I want to give to this video playlist. Tap Create. Just take a look here. You see that the playlist has not reflected. So what you are going to do now is to go back to refresh our YouTube app by tapping on this arrow. Just swipe down your phone screen with your finger and we are going to see something like circle turning round and round. Let's go back to check if the playlist has appeared. And that's it there, because we refreshed the app. Can you see the video we just added? I have not made the video public, so let's go and make it public. Click on the 3 dots. Tap on Edit. Then tap on the key. Tap Public. Tap Save. And that's it. Now let's add one more video to the playlist. Just tap on the 3 dots of any of the videos. Tap Save to Playlist. Choose the playlist you want to add the video to. And that's it. The video has added. So let's go back once more to check the playlist to see if the 2 videos are there. You see, these are the 2 videos we just added. Easy peasy. So now I'm going to show you the second way you can create your playlist in the studio, the desktop version. You open your Chrome browser. Then in the search bar, type studio.youtube.com and then send. It will take you to the YouTube studio. Now we are in the studio, look up, top right, click on Create. Then click on New Playlist. On this drop-down box, you are going to see title. You are not seeing it here because I have already created my own playlist through the YouTube app. So if you have not created and you are going to see title, in the title box, you are going to type in your playlist name. Then after that, look down, click on Create. Then you will see Done, click on it. After clicking on Done, look for Save. Click on it as well to save your work. Make sure you save your work if you don't want to start all over again. So that is how to create YouTube playlists through your YouTube mobile app and YouTube Desktop Studio Mobile. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to drop your thank you in the comment section if you find value in this video. And also subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one. Bye.